folks, welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoyed our previous episode showing the progress on the dunes here in Gordons Bay. Gordons Bay is a well-known and secure spot for bathing. It's a very pretty mountainous area of the Cape, known for safe swimming in shallow waters. Lots of eateries and coffee bars as well for our entertainment. Come along the beach with me right now. We're gonna take a flight towards the dunes there and check out how the guys are doing. Let's go and see the progress there. From the river mouth here to the residential area up ahead, you will see quite a lot has been done. Plants being planted, indigenous stuff there. There's Bongani and his team at work. They will be there every day for a couple of years still. But as we go along the dunes towards the hotel up ahead, you will see that people feel much safer walking along there. They're more visible and you can safely take a leisurely stroll towards the beachfront up ahead. And there we are, straight up ahead you've got the Crystal Hotel, the various other restaurants. There's at least 3 different restaurants there. You can pick one, have a look. It's a tasty treat. You'll enjoy browsing around there. There's also an art gallery. Go and have a look. Fishing is good. There's a yacht club, some pretty boats to look at. Certainly lovely views and excellent spot for a sundowner facing the sunset that way there in Cape Town, Table Mountain. As we head back to Gordons Bay beachfront, one is mindful of the drastic action that is taking place on the left of us there. One remembers the former dunes that were quite high up there, but such drastic action has been unfortunately rather necessary in the interests of safety and for our residents of Gordons Bay, but attention is being made to the biodiversity and the indigenous plant life there, so that is encouraging. It's also nice to see how our beaches are kept nice and clean. All the plastic gets blown around by crazy winds in the summertime. At least that's kept tidy, and we appreciate that. That's the actions of the municipality there. It's great to see young ones over there enjoying a little bit of innocent fun on the beach. Nice to know that they can be safe. Their parents don't have to be right on top of them. They can be nearby. Yeah, and Gordons Bay beachfront is highly recommended in the off-peak season because it's uncrowded, the waters are calm and fairly easy and safe to swim on our beaches right here. Enjoy the trip, come over sometime. There's a nice view, a long shot of all the work that's been done. Lovely beaches. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode. Thanks so much. Bye.